We're live with helicopters.com, remote control site we're thinking about creating here. And we're going to fly the Blade, what was this one? Hold it up, I can't remember the name of it.
Something.
The MCX2, yes, the MCX2, flown by a future real helicopter pilot, probably. Probably not. You'll see here in a minute. Okay, go ahead. Oh! Okay. Now, fly it around the kitchen. Let's go through the kitchen. Yeah, I don't want no excuse when you crash. We're flying in Miss Debbie's newly remodeled kitchen. That's concrete floors, by the way. They're painted, and that's concrete cabinets. Very nice. And she would not like us doing this, lying in her kitchen, but she's not here right now, so we can get away with things. And she'll see this on YouTube. She probably won't be happy. Huh? What? Well, get another battery. We're live.
We made it.
Yeah, no problem.
We're going to do a balcony landing up here.
A balcony landing, okay. This helicopter you can fly just about anywhere, if it's not too windy or ceiling fans aren't on.
I know, feel AC catching or something.
You gonna land it on the fan? No. Coming down the steps? Ran out better. Oh,
It's not straight.
Let's go see what we got here.
No, I just wanted to land it on the balcony. Alright, let's see what we got. Yep, she's a little sideways, but never hurt nobody. Alright, here we go.
Coming off the top, let me get in here.
I don't know what the battery's like. We may have some drama here.
Okay. Cool. You got it. Get a close up.